Now, we start with the next article, that is a definite article, the. The is called the definite article because it points out to a particular person or a specific thing. Okay, means that we are talking about some particular thing. Particular, you are talking about some particular person or a specific thing. Now, what are the rules for when we use the definite article the? We use the when we speak of a particular person or thing or one that has already been referred to. For example, if I say a thirsty crow found a pitcher that contained some water. Okay. Now the clever crow picked up some pebbles in his beak and dropped them one by one into the pitcher. Now, I have talked about the picture earlier. Again, I am talking about the picture. So, earlier I am talking about only a picture, but here I want to express the picture again. That is why I am talking about the particular picture. That is why I have used the picture word. So, the is used with this. Next is we use the when a singular common noun is used to indicate a whole class. Means the donkey example, the donkey is a laborious animal. Now the donkey we are talking about, the generalize a whole class about the donkey. We are not talking about only a one donkey, we are talking about the whole donkey class, whole class as a that donkey are always a laborious animal. Is that clear? Next is we use the with superlative degrees of adjective. Suppose we say he is the most intelligent student of the class. So we are talking about the most intelligent. We put the. The most is the superlative degree. Next we use the with objects that are unique. The sun, the moon, the earth, these are the unique objects. Next we use the before phrases with words like first, last, all these are ordinals or cardinal numbers, we use the. When we speak of the population of a nation, Japanese, so we put the. Then we use the before the names of trains, planes, and ships. For example, the Golden Temple. We use the before the names of well-known buildings and institutions, the Parliament House, the Red Fort. We use the with the names of countries also, like the United States of America, the United Kingdom. We use the before the names of newspapers and the magazines, the Tribune, the Hindu. We use the with adjectives when those adjectives are used as nouns. We should help the needy. We should help the poor. So we use these type of things. Next we use the with the names of rivers, seas and oceans like the Gangas, the Himalayas. Next, we use the before points of the compass that are used as a geographical area, the west, with the directions also. We use the before the names of musical instruments like the piano, the guitar. Okay, then we use the before points on the globe, the equator, the South Pole. We use the with the names of holy books, the Ramayana, the Quran. Okay, so all these are things that we are using it with the definite article the. And most important, the definite article the is used before certain proper nouns, the names of rivers and all these things that I've explained you earlier. Now the question comes where we don't use articles. There are some things, some main points where we don't use articles. Not a, not an, or not the. And number one, this is before expressions like last night, last week, last month, next month, we don't use any article with that. Before then, we don't use before the names of languages. I speak English, we don't use. Before plural countable nouns that refer to the entire class. I have told you, you can use with the whole class, but you cannot use before plural countable nouns like bananas, like mangoes. Okay. Then before material nouns like gold, silver, we can't use any article. Before abstract noun like honesty, patience, intelligence, wisdom, we don't use any article. Before the names of games and sports, example golf, hockey, football. Before the names of meals, we don't use any article. We don't say I ate breakfast, I had dinner. You don't say, and you don't use any article there. Before expressions such as all day, all night, by ear, we cannot use any article there. Okay? So I hope the topic is clear to you all. Thank you.